We got our connectors, the guy on the ground. We use our rigger to release them. So he's down there, cuts them loose, sends the tree back down. They grab the next 4.
So no one goes up. You just release it one after another.
Yeah, no one goes up. So now the connectors don't have to use a man lift, get to the center. They stay where they are. The rigging cuts loose. And that's that. I mean, it's awesome. The best part is the field guys love it. If you can get the field to love it, it's easy implementation from there.